A pleasant morning to our panelists. I am Erico Calpo, and together with my groupmates, Justin Ian D. Madrigal, Irish Angel G. Reyes, we are here to present our quantitative research study entitled Investigating the Relationship Between Brand Recognition and Buying Behaviors of Grade 11 Accountancy Business and Management Strand students at Cavite National High School. In a world where brands dominate consumer choices, understanding how recognition influences purchasing decisions is crucial, especially among young consumers like senior high school's ABM students. This research study aims to explore the relationship between brand recognition and buying behaviors of grade 11 ABM students on how does brand recognition really affects the buying behavior of grade 11 ABM students.
This study aims to answer the following questions. First is, how does brand recognition influence the purchasing decisions of grade 11 students? Second, in what ways does brand recognition contribute to the buying behavior of grade 11 students? And lastly, what is the relationship between brand recognition and the spending habits of grade 11 students? Therefore, this study was expected to achieve the following objectives. First is to evaluate the extent to which brand recognition affects the buying behavior of grade 11 students. Second is to investigate how brand recognition influenced the purchasing decisions of grade 11 students. And lastly, to determine the strength and direction of the relationship between brand recognition and the spending habits of grade 11 students.
This study focuses on grade 11 ABM student enrolled in Accountancy and Business Management strand in Cavite National High School, Senior High School, school year 2024 to 2025. The research design that used in quantitative non-experimental approach, this study determined that relationship in each variable in our research paper. The researcher chose senior high school ABM student in Cavite National High School to collect data.
This study employed simple random sampling due to constraints in time and resources. The sample consists of 80 ABM students from Cavite National High School, Senior High School, who were selected randomly.
Simple random sampling was used in this study to collect data.
The data collection procedure for this study will begin with the submission of a formal letter to the principal of Cavite National High School, Senior High School, requesting approval to conduct the research. Upon receiving the approval, the survey questionnaire will undergo validation before being finalized. After that, the respondents will be selected and their consent will be obtained. The survey questionnaire will then be distributed to the students. The data collected will be analyzed and interpreted by the researchers.
Descriptive statistic will be used to measure a central tendency, then Pearson correlation will be used to measure if there increase on the relationship.
Let's proceed to the interpretation of the results and discussion. As you can see, the demographic profile of respondents based on their gender is mostly female respondents with 61 responses. On the other hand, male respondents only have 19 responses. In conclusion, the majority of the responses came from the female with 76%. Then, the demographic profile based on the grade level is only grade 11 students, since the study only focuses on grade 11's ABM students, just like the strand, only ABM students are the only respondents of this study. Brand recognition questionnaire shows that the overall mean is 3.28 according to the data, and standard deviation overall indicates that 1.34 is the total of the standard deviation of the responses of the grade 11 students. The interpretation for all of them is strongly agreed. The mean for the buying behaviors overall is 3.19. Then, the standard deviation is 0.70 in total. Interpretation for all of them is strongly agreed. The Pearson correlation are results of negative 0.111 and the p-value with a total of 0.761 means that the brand recognition does not have a strong impact on buying behavior.
The study examined the impact of brand recognition buying behavior using statistical analysis such as Pearson correlation and simple linear regression analysis, and the result revealed that brand recognition and buying behavior has weak negative correlation, not statistically significant under Pearson correlation. Simple linear regression revealed that brand recognition and buying behavior is not significant predictor. Pearson correlation between purchasing decision among strands revealed that brand recognitions and spending habits of grade 11 ABM student has weak negative correlation not statistically significant. For recommendation, business owners can gain idea in this study on how popularity of their brand influence the buying behavior of their consumers. Consumers can also gain knowledge by making informed decision before purchasing a product. Lastly, for future researcher, this study encourage a student to explore more in this topic.